I remember staring at a $60 brisket at 3 a.m., completely ruined. My old cheap smoker had massive temperature swings, drying the meat into absolute leather. It's a nightmare. Choosing the right drum smoker is tricky because most look identical from the outside but leak heat like a sieve or choke your fire. Well, I've spent months testing the top options so you don't have to eat another dry rack of ribs. Also, I've tagged all the exact products we talked about right here in the video so you can easily check them out. Number 6. Pit Barrel Cooker Classic Package. Let me explain how this one works because it's a bit different than a traditional setup. The pit barrel cooker uses a hook and hang method. Instead of laying your ribs flat on a grate, you literally hang them vertically over the coals. It's an interesting concept, and honestly, it does create a unique convection environment inside the drum. I loaded this up with a few racks of baby backs to see if the hype was real. The juices from the meat drip directly onto the hot coals, which vaporizes and creates this incredible flavor fog. It's a really cool experience the first time you do it. The package comes with everything you need right out of the box, including the hooks, the grates, and even their custom rub, which is a nice touch. But here's where things get a little frustrating. The temperature control is almost non-existent. You have this one vent at the bottom that you're supposed to set based on your elevation, and then you just leave it. You can't really dial it in if you want to smoke lower and slower for something delicate. Because you can't easily choke the fire, it tends to run hot, really hot. If you are trying to hold a steady 225 degrees for a long, lazy pork butt cook, well, you're going to be fighting this barrel the entire time. 5. Oklahoma Joe's Bronco Pro Drum Smoker. Now, if you want something that feels like it could survive a bomb blast, this is it. The Bronco Pro is made from heavy-gauge steel, and the moment you unbox it, it is an absolute tank. It's got this bold, aggressive look with the oversized wagon wheels and the massive temperature gauge right on the front. I actually really love the cooking grate on this one. It is massive. You get 21.5 inches of cooking surface, which is plenty of room for huge packer briskets or multiple pork shoulders without crowding the edges. And it features a really unique ash pan and charcoal basket system that holds enough fuel to run all day without needing a refill. But, man, living with this thing day to day is kind of a chore. Those oversized wagon wheels I just mentioned, they are completely fixed in place and made of solid metal. Dragging this 130-pound monster across a patio feels like dragging a dead weight. You really have to fight it to get it into position. And if you do need to add more charcoal mid-cook, it is incredibly awkward. Because it's a solid drum design, you have to take the food off, pull the heavy grate out, and then reach all the way down into the belly of the beast. It completely kills your cooking momentum and lets all your built-up heat escape into the air. The side shelf is also weirdly flimsy compared to the rest of the build. 4. Weber Smokey Mountain Cooker. All right, let's talk about an absolute legend in the backyard BBQ scene. The Weber Smokey, or WSM as everyone calls it, is essentially the gold standard for bullet-style smokers. It has this sleek, capsule-like design with a gorgeous porcelain enameled finish that just shrugs off the weather year after year. What I really appreciate about this unit is the water pan system. It comes with this massive porcelain-coated bowl that sits right above the coals. You fill it with water, and it acts as this incredible heat sink. It practically locks the temperature at 225 degrees for you. It is so incredibly forgiving for beginners. I spent an entire weekend cooking ribs and a pork butt on this, and the dual cooking grates are a complete game changer. You have a top grate and a lower grate, meaning you can easily cook two entirely different types of meat at once. The flavor profile you get off this thing is pure, classic, clean smoke that never tastes bitter. Another massive win here is the side access door. Unlike the solid drums we just talked about, Weber gives you a little access door on the front. If you need to toss in another chunk of hickory or apple wood, you just pop the door open, toss it in, and close it up. No lifting grates, no moving meat, no lost heat. It is incredibly lightweight, too. Number 3. Char-Broil Bullet Charcoal Smoker. Here's what matters when you are just getting started with smoking meat: approachability. The Char-Broil Bullet really impressed me because it takes the intimidating process of fire management and makes it incredibly simple. It has a very similar profile to the Weber, but it brings its own unique advantages to the patio. The first thing you'll notice is the airflow control. Char-Broil integrated this really smart numbered damper system. Instead of just guessing how far open your vents are and hoping for the best, you can literally set them to a specific number. It takes all the guesswork out of hitting your target temperature. I really enjoyed the ash management on this model too. It features a genuinely clever removable ash pan. Cleaning up is usually the absolute worst part of making barbecue. But here, the ash bowl simply lifts out from the bottom in one piece, so you can dump it in the trash and move on with your day. The grates are porcelain-coated wire, which is fantastic for preventing your food from sticking. I threw some delicate fish fillets on here, and they lifted right off effortlessly without tearing apart. Plus, the slick coating makes scrubbing them in the sink later a total breeze. For the price point, the build quality is surprisingly solid. The lid fits snugly against the middle section, which means you aren't leaking valuable smoke from the seams. 2. Cuisinart COS 118 Vertical Charcoal Smoker. Well, this one was a massive surprise. When you think of Cuisinart, you usually think of indoor kitchen appliances, right? But they absolutely knocked it out of the park with this 18-inch vertical smoker. It is remarkably well thought out and incredibly user-friendly from top to bottom. The standout feature here is how perfectly they nailed the locking latches. The base and the barrel lock together securely with these heavy-duty tension latches. This means when you grab the side handles to move it, the entire unit stays together in one solid piece. It sounds like a small detail, but it makes a world of difference when you're setting up your cooking space. I fired this up for a long brisket cook, and the dual air vent system was an absolute joy to use. You have a precise vent on the bottom to control the oxygen hitting the coals, and a top vent to dial in the exhaust. Once I set my airflow, it held temperature beautifully for hours without me having to babysit it. You get 2 very spacious cooking racks inside, giving you plenty of vertical space. I was able to stand up a whole chicken on the bottom grate and still have plenty of room for a tray of smoked mac and cheese on the top grate. The versatility for cooking entire meals all at once is just fantastic. Gateway Drum Smokers. All right, we've reached the absolute pinnacle. If you follow the professional barbecue competition circuit, you already know the name Gateway. These aren't just backyard toys. These are high-performance cooking machines designed to win trophies. And after cooking on one, I completely understand the obsession. The philosophy behind Gateway is cooking hot and fast. While traditional smokers force you to wait 12 to 14 hours for a brisket, the Gateway is designed to run brilliantly at around 300 degrees. The draft system on this drum creates an intense, clean-burning fire that cooks your meat in half the time, while actually improving the final flavor. I mean, the flavor you get from this is on another level entirely. Because the meat sits directly over the coals without a water pan blocking it, the fat drips down, vaporizes on the fire, and rushes right back up into the meat. It gives you this deeply rich, competition-style bark that is almost impossible to replicate on anything else. The build quality is breathtaking. These are fully welded, heavily insulated, and coated in specialized paint that can withstand extreme temperatures. They completely seal up when you close the lid, meaning when you shut the custom intake pipes down, the fire instantly starves and goes out. You save so much unburnt charcoal for your next cook. Yes, it is an investment. It completely changes the way you approach barbecue. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.